Head-on goals are so last year. We're playing goals out. Like other small-sided games, this one is a scrimmage with a twist. Here, we're helping players learn to spread out when attacking. Use cones to set up a rectangular grid and place 2 goals spaced 10 feet apart, spanning the center of each end line. Rotate each goal so it's angled 45 degrees towards the nearest touchline. You'll end up with 4 goals angled out to the left and right sides of the field instead of facing the field head-on. Divide your players into 2 teams, 1 in pennies. You can play 3v3, 4v4, or more. Here, we're playing 4v4. Here's how it looks. Players scrimmage without goalies. Players score by kicking the ball into either of their goals below knee height. As your players will discover, it's a little harder than it looks. With the goals angled outward, attackers need to get in closer to score, which means spreading out horizontally across the field to receive a wide pass and shoot. This is a good habit to build because it forces players to get the ball to the player in best position to score. And if that doesn't work, they can always try bending the ball. Coaches, encourage players to strike the ball slightly below and to the outside of the center of the ball to give it spin. Like any skill, bending the ball takes time and practice. Encourage players to give it a try and praise their effort. Remember, spread out, make the pass, bend the ball. Just like magic.